All right, guys, I really quickly wanted to go over the week 5 kind of overview video to talk to you about directions and stuff for this week, or for week 5. It goes from 6/22 to 6/26, and then 2 days of the following week. Remember, we wanted that pathway completed by June 30th, so that's the extra 2 days that you have. All right, remember office hours are from Monday through Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, and live lessons at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. We just talked about office hours and live lessons, but again, live lessons Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This week has a lot of content, so we needed 3 lessons this week to make up for that content. Remember that office hours and live lessons are encouraged, but not required. Summer Bridge is self-paced. You can work ahead, but please use office hours for questions. Remember that Google Classroom will be used for additional help and resources, but successful completion of the Imagine Math pathway will determine placement in 6th grade APA. Each lesson can only be attempted 2 times. If you fail a lesson, please attend a live lesson or an office hour before attempting the lesson again, and you must make a 70% to pass each lesson. This week there are 6 lessons in Imagine Math, and we are going over rates and ratios, proportions, and percent applications. The corresponding Imagine Math lessons are listed below. All right, remember this is a suggested calendar. This is by no means the order that you have to follow, but Miss Brown's experience with 6th grade students tells her that they need a little bit of help with some time management and planning, so this is a suggested calendar. We're talking about proportions and percents all week. Office hours are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, and there will be a live lesson at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There's a suggested Imagine Math lesson, 1 per day, Monday through Thursday, and if you look at that little highlighted section, this week actually continues into 2 days next week, so if you wanted to, you could leave those last 2 lessons for June the 30th. However, I'm going to caution you, and I am going to say that if you have any lessons that you failed along the way, I am going to assign those additional lessons, like failed as in you did not pass them 2 times. I'm going to assign those last lessons on the 26th, so that gives you the weekend and 2 additional days to make up for those lessons. So you may want to make sure that you finish everything by the 26th, so you have an additional 2 days next week to come to office hours, ask questions, and redo any lessons that you might have failed 2 times. Okay, remember that on Fridays, Mrs. Brown does not have office hours, and she's not technically on the hours or on the job, but you can email me or you can message me on Google Classroom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so ratios and rates, you're going to watch the videos in the following slides and then complete these 3 lessons: concept of ratios and rates, identifying unit rates, and identifying ratios. And we've provided some videos for you that will make those concepts a little clearer. Then we go into proportions. Watch the videos in the following slides, complete the following Imagine Math lessons. It's percent concepts and calculations with percents. And there are 2 videos for you to watch on that. And then finally, percent applications. You're going to watch the videos on the following slides, and then you will complete the following Imagine Math lesson, reasoning with percents. Okay, so here's the last 2 videos. I'm going to check your pathway progress in Imagine Math every Thursday. So this Thursday will be the final time that I will do that, and I will contact your parents and let you know how many lessons you have to work on before completion of the 30th. Remember, your goal is to complete that pathway by June the 30th, but you may want to leave yourself a little bit of time in case you have any lessons that you have not passed, because I'm going to have to reassign them to you. Try to stay on pace so that you can complete everything on time. Okay. Again, remember that the bridge pathway needs to be completed by June the 30th. There are 20 lessons. Successful completion of the pathway will determine your placement in a 6th grade APA math class next year, and I am here to support you. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck, guys.